done. Hi guys, so today we are meeting a very enterprising lady, an entrepreneur and also a person who is a doctor. Can you believe? An enterprising person who's a doctor? Well, we'll know why and how. So we are meeting Dr. Kriti, who is an entrepreneur and we are meeting at an event called Indiana Cultural Program. Let's know what is this concept and what is it that is so much Indiana.
So thank you for the wonderful introduction. But anyways, I'm the entrepreneur of a couple of more businesses where I have been practicing my integrated medicine, which is non-invasive treatments, and running my clinics. Apart from that, my passion is to support small scale and medium scale industries. And this idea has came when we organized one of the events at Sahara Stan with Bhagat Singh Koshari sir, who was governor of Maharashtra. And next day when I was sitting with him, he was talking with me, and I just said, sir, कुछ दिमाग में चल रहा है जो इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करे, fusion of the culture and the commerce. And he said yes, good to go. So this was the blessed event. We already celebrated in Pune, now celebrated in Mumbai, and then going to, this is somewhere you can say the demo of every city, and now our target is to go to Delhi with PM. So Indiana has completely clear-cut idea to do the fusion where art and culture of India used as a tool for brand.
Wow, what a lovely concept that is. Branding done with art and culture. And that too is something which is Indian. So, as an Indian, it's always a proud thing for us to talk about our Indian culture, our Indian heritage, our Indianism in whatever we do, whether it is art, craft, culture, food habits, anything you call it. And what I realized that this program has a lot of networking, and networking is the key word for any kind of marketing, any kind of promotion. So I just want to hear something from you regarding that.
You very truly say that the more network, the more network. First thing. Second, as an entrepreneur, we always believe that अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, अभी नहीं तो कभी होगा. So there are few things which is very clearly mentioned over here, that quality over quantity. Second thing, do as much as call up, create passive income streams, create B2B and B2C channel partners, take help of media people, because media is always supportive to such brands, because they also know the value and worth of Indian culture, because they are more connected to these things. So there are ample of things which are actually involved, and we really appreciate that this kind of things, if more and more come in, people are joining, people are appreciating, and you yourself saw the brand journey through Wagli art, how we crafted and created. So this was the idea of mine where I innovated and when we started it.
We saw in your program, we spoke about Madhubani art, which I think is a long forgotten art piece, and I think these kind of paintings, Madhubani art, is something which should come out in the public, and people, the new generation needs to know what is our heritage and how we can connect that to connect with our target audience. Networking and marketing, the same thing, which is already our own culture.
Correct. So networking marketing is a byproduct when you are focusing on the branding, and on top of the branding through art and culture of India is somewhere very unique thing we crafted over here. So for sure you are watching that we believe we focus art and culture has somewhere the touch of spirituality, which is very higher than any religion. So we touch the spirituality, we touch the heart, we touch the soul, because art is having no caste and creed. So we believe to touch each and every human through art and culture, and we request, we really ask some help from media, the people who are watching this, that support art and culture of India. Enroll so many Indian art forms, good artists with your brands, photo shoots, do art and culture. So such things is the really need of 11th of art. This is the need of the art. So I think so. I'm trying, and rest is everything is on my business.
Absolutely. What I like about you and your personality, you're very positive. Whatever I asked you questions, you just turned it into a very positive, go-to image that you have, which is so lovely. I think that is something which really would like to look forward to more of these sessions, more of these programs. I want more and more people to join us, join hands with us, collaborate with us, do networking, do marketing, and I'm sure the world is an opportunity and we are here to help you guys.
Correct. So I like to invite all the people. You can find us on Indiana the Cultural Biz globally. It is now launched. We have launched our website globally, Indiana the Cultural Biz, as well as Sai Business Club. When you type, you can see our club as well. And apart from that, you are always fetching my data from everywhere. I'm there on social media, Kruti Wazir. So thank you so much, Rimana, for the wonderful interview, and you are always a family. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.